Hi, it's Kathy. I am glad you're here. I wanted to show you today another 3-minute hairstyle using a braided 8 from Lila Rose. So this one is actually a stylist exclusive. This one isn't on the website, but there are other really cute ones on the website. And this stick is separate. You can purchase those separately. This is one of the shorter sticks. They have longer sticks. See the difference in those? Let's see. So there you go. You can see the difference. So the shorter sticks are nice for the smaller sizes in the braided 8s. So I like to use that. This is the stick that would come on the website with a braided 8. You have to choose the stick when you are purchasing, and you can choose one that fits like that. For a braided 8 and small, I would go up a size for the stick, or choose one of the pretty sticks, and then you can always wear that on its own. The difference is these sticks are going to be a little bit tighter fitting because they're just a little bit wider around the middle. This is just a little bit thicker. So just another thing to keep in mind. That's why I do like these for some of the bigger sizes. Anyway, let's get back to our 3-minute hairstyle. All right, so this is a small in the braided 8, and I'm going to just spray my hair quickly because I want to do a drop bun, which is a little bit more challenging than the usual. So I love the smell of this. That is the sea salt spray from Lila Rose, which is also great for just adding a little bit of texture when you need to style your hair or just a little thickness. So, are we ready? So I am going to do this in 3 minutes or less. My last hairstyle was only, I think, a minute. So gather your hair like this, and then we're going to do a bun, just like normal, at the back and the base of your head. Just twist around like that. Now, instead of putting something through that, I'm going to flip it down. Okay, and I'm going to put my hair accessory at the bottom. So I flipped it down. I'm catching this at the base of my neck. And there is my drop bun. Let's see how it looks. Now, sometimes I will try to catch this part up in it, but I didn't get a big enough clip there. If I went up a size, I could actually pull that up, and it gives it more of that kind of look. So that's it. I think I was under the 3-minute mark again. Subscribe to my channel, please, and I will show you more 3-minute or less hairstyles with Lila Rose hair accessories. Talk to you soon. Bye.